So this is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Coupe, not the convertible, the coupe, in the white with red interior. Sorry with all the glare, it is sunny out. So let's hurry up and open it. So this is the Bel Air with everything removed, the plastic and the bands. I will say I'm glad they did introduce a one with a roof. As much as I like the convertible, I do like the option to have the roof also. Although I kind of wish they had one where you could remove the roof. But I think it would have been maybe a little awkward in the points where it had to connect, so I see why they didn't. A really nice white, however, in the lighting that I have, it's really difficult to see exactly what it is. At least this is actual detail and not just a sticker. The back. I really wish car design can go back to a time where it looked futuristic and not just boring futuristic, like modern day futurism. The interior, the same bench seats. Again, I really wish they did with like a little two-tone. Like maybe in the door right here, put some white in the middle of the door. But it doesn't look too bad. Look at the other side. Pretty good looking. Pretty good looking. However, the all the red kind of does like almost blend together on camera. I think that's just a camera problem. Let's take a look at the hood. Yeah, this feels a little loose right here, the chrome. The engine bay. It's a simple engine bay. Nothing going on a whole lot here. It's just the engine, just battery and all sorts of stuff, but not too much detail in the engine. And in the back, you got a good amount of space in the back. Put whatever you want in there, especially the screws in case you decide to display it without the stand and maybe you change your mind later, want to switch it out for a different car. Chrome rims and the classic white walls. Tires do turn. The really happy smile the Bel Air gives you. Beautiful car. Since I've already done this car before, there's not a whole lot new to talk about with it other than just adding the roof, the red interior, and the white paint this car has, which again, I know I said I'm not a fan of. However, on this one, I do like it on this car, especially in a time where they didn't really paint too many white cars. If anything, it was more red and blue is the ones you saw a lot of these in. But on this car, I think it works. And to me, it kind of like reminds me of like a classic wedding car. Just add the just got married with the cans and all that coming off of it. But there's not much new to talk about with it. So I think that'll be it for this video. Again, just a simple Bel Air, really good looking. Hard to find anything wrong with the 57 Bel Air. But other than that, that's about it. Thanks for watching.